Hey lovelies, today I'll be teaching you how to make these honey soy wings. So juicy, so yummy, super simple recipe.
Can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So we'll make the sauce first, and this is a half cup of honey. I'm going to add to it 2 teaspoons of oil, and that's olive oil. You can use any oil that you want to use. Next, I'm going in with 3/4 cups of soy sauce. Then of course, we have to season this up. So this is onion, garlic, ginger powder, and chicken seasoning. And here I'm just mixing everything together to get the seasoning nice and dissolved in this sauce, because you want the sauce to have a nice flavor, not just the plain honey and soy sauce. So once you are through mixing that up, just add the wings to the sauce, because you need the wings to actually marinate in this, because remember that this is nice and seasoned. So just add the wings, move them around to ensure that all sides are nice and coated in this, and you can leave these for 15 to 20 minutes to get nice and soaked. Okay, about that time, you just need to add these to your baking tray. I'm just adding these on top of foil paper in my baking tray. And the smell, it smells so good. Just a point to note, you don't need to add salt, because for me there's salt in the chicken seasoning and there's also salt in the soy sauce. So no more salt is needed. So you add these wings to your tray as I said, and then you can pop them in the oven for 10 minutes while you work on making that sauce nice and thick. Alright, pop these in the oven. Then onto the sauce, I'm going to pour what's left all in a pot over low heat. Then I'm going to add to this a little bit of honey, a little more honey, just a teaspoon more honey, and also some cornstarch slurry, just about a tablespoon of cornstarch slurry to get this nice and thick. Then mix everything around, and this will become so thick very quickly. And once this is nice and thick, you can turn your stove off. You can test this if you need to add anything else to it, like you can add some rice wine or some cooking wine, it's all up to you, or even some red wine to this. Then back to the chicken. It's out of the oven after 10 minutes. So now it has no color, but it has a lot of flavor. But the sauce will do just that for you. So what you're going to do here now is just use a brush or a spoon, whatever you have, and get that sauce all over your wings on both sides. So add that nice sauce on one side, you flip them over, and you can add the sauce again. Then you can pop this back into your oven for an additional 8 minutes and add the sauce as you go along. It depends on your liking. So if you add them in after 8 minutes and you think it needs a little bit more, you can add some more sauce, and then you pop them back in your oven for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, nice and ready, nice and juicy. Now this is the color that I wanted my wings to have. Also, I baked these at 180 degrees. You can add all that sauce that's in the baking tray, you can add it back to your wings, okay? Then it will be time for you to plate these up and serve them. Look at mine. I added some sesame seeds to mine. Love, love, love this. It was so juicy and the sauce really good, really yummy. So nice. ROMA'S Kitchen honey soy wings. So easy to make, the sauce perfect. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. So that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net. Thank you for watching. Until next video.